Let's get ready for the resistance band bicycle crunch with handles. Start by lying flat on your back on a mat. Place your feet securely through the handles of the resistance band, making sure they're snug so you have full control of the band throughout the movement. With a loop resistance band, wrap the band around the soles of both feet, ensuring it's secure to provide proper resistance. Position your hands lightly behind your head, keeping your elbows out wide, but remember not to pull on your neck. Lift your legs off the ground into a tabletop position and engage your core. Extend your right leg straight while pulling your left knee towards your chest, rotating your torso to bring your right elbow to your left knee. Keep the motion slow and controlled, feeling the resistance from the band. Then switch sides, extending your left leg and bringing your left elbow towards your right knee. Continue alternating to maximize core engagement with each twist. The resistance from the band will challenge your core more with each pedal motion, so remember to focus on mindful breathing and muscle engagement. Exhale as you twist and inhale as you reset. Perform 12 to 15 reps on each side. Maintain proper form by keeping your lower back pressed into the mat throughout the movement to avoid any strain. And to make this exercise even more effective, keep a steady pace and don't rush the twists. Slow and controlled wins the race here. See you in the next exercise.